Right, so in this video we are going to go through the process of invoicing, how to invoice in QuickBooks. So to invoice, you can just click here, then you click on create invoice, and then this pop-up will come. This one you can just untick and then click OK. Let me maximize the screen. So here is the where it's written customer job. That's where you enter your customer name. So let's say your customer name is Mr. Let's say it's Mr. Jones. Then you click enter. Then the system will prompt you saying that Mr. Jones is not in this customer list. So either you can quick add or you can set up. For quick add, we will not want to enter more details about the customer. But if you click on setup, you'd want to add more details about the customer, like the address, the phone numbers. So in this first step, let's just click on quick add, and then you come here, you click on quantity, you enter the quantity, let's say quantity 1, and then the item that you are billing. Let's say we are billing a service. Let's say we have a setup for a service-based business where we offer services. So let's say we offered accommodation. So you can just type accommodation there, then enter. So the system will tell me that this item or this product or service called accommodation is not in the system. And then would you like to edit now? Then I will click on yes, I want to edit. And then I will select it's a service. Anything that is not tangible, I will select it as a service. But if we are selling something that is tangible, I was going to select stock part. So in this case, I'm going to select service. Then I scroll down. Then here under part number, I just leave it as it is, accommodation. Then I can come here under description. I can put again accommodation as well. Then you can come to the price. So here you can put the price. However, you can also change the price. So let's say the price is $25. And then account, always put sales, then enter. After that, you can click on OK. That one you just need to click on ignore all, and then click tab key. If you also want to change the price, I can even change the price and put 30 there. This one you can click untick do not display this message, then click OK, then tab key. So I've built that item. Let me say I want to build another one, quantity 1 again, and then maybe we will offer the service. Let me say dry cleaning, then enter. Dry cleaning is not in the system. Would you like to edit? Yes, again, it's a service. Then tab key. So you need to use tab to move around the screen. Then you come right here. Let's say ironing is $15. Then account there, you select sales. After that, you take your mouse, you click on OK there. Then you come here, tab key. The price is 15. You just leave it like that. So after that, you can click on print, select invoice. Here it's saying that there's a spelling error. You can just click on options, then untick where it's saying always check. Then you click on OK, then close. Then you also untick there and then click OK. So it now wants to print the invoice. So here you can select where you want where you want the system to print the invoice to. So in this case, we can just preview it. So here's how our invoice is going to look like. We can customize this invoice, but this is the standard invoice that comes with the system. So we can remove all the fields that we don't want there. So I can click on close and then cancel there. Here you can just click on save and new, meaning I want to save and do a new one. So that's it for doing our sales invoice. So I want to do another sales invoice again. This time I want to enter the details of the customer, like the customer addresses. So let's say my customer name is, maybe it's a company. Let's say it's Odo PVT Ltd. Enter. Then Odo PVT is not in the system. I click on setup. If there is a balance that Odo, this company, was owing, I can also put the balance here, but let's assume there is no balance. Then you can come here, bill to, you can click enter right below this one, then you enter the address for this customer. Let's say it's number 776 Harare Drive, Letombo, Rua, Zim. That's the address. Then you click here, you click on copy, and this one you just click on OK, then OK again, then OK again here. Then you click on tab key. So automatically it will populate all the details that you just added there. Then you click tab key, or you can just click your mouse here. So now I put my quantity 1. So we've already added accommodation, so we now no longer need to add another item like we did previously. I can drop down arrow, click on accommodation. If I want to change the price here for accommodation, let's say I want to put maybe $45, or maybe we are discounting them, we want to give them at $20, I can put $20 there. If I want to view another one, I can just put quantity 1 there, dry cleaner. Let's say it's going to maintain 15. Here again, let's say I enter another item here. The item is so let's say the item is what can I put here? Let's say we are putting ironing. Let's say we are going to iron for a client. Then you select there. I can copy and paste here the description. I enter the price for ironing. Let's say it's $5. Account, I can select sales again, then click OK there, and tab key. In the event that maybe you want to remove that one, you can just click on delete there. Delete. You can just delete that. Delete. You can just delete like that. And then if I want to print, I can also click here. Print the invoice. Preview. So that's it for doing sales invoices. Here you can click on save and close if you want to close. So we are now back at the home. So that's it for doing sales invoices. If you want to view your previous sales invoice, you can come here again, and then you click on this arrow. It will show you the previous invoice that we did. Click this arrow again, it will show you the previous arrow that we did. So that's it.